He who greetless to greet flies back. Behold him as flight from freedom to bondage. Again, Dhammapad 344. Having left the forest of desire, that is the life of a householder, he takes to the forest of the practice, that is the life of monk. But when he is free from the forest of desire, he rushes back to that very forest. Come, look at the man who, having become free, rushes back into that very bondage. Who without witnessness inclines to the wood, free in the wood to witness returns. Do now regard that person well who free return to fetters. Dhammapad 344. Jo nibbon otho bonadhi mutta bono mukta bono mebo dhavoti tong puggalo mebo pasyatho mukta bandha mebo dhavoti. Dhammapad 344. He who greetless to greet flies back. Behold him as flying from freedom to bondage. Again, Dhammapad 344.
Mm-hmm.